Good morning students, welcome to the VBPS online class. Students, today I will again revise chapter 9. Okay, so I hope you all are well understood in your previous lecture. Okay, if you have any doubt students, so ask me in your class group. So now today I will revise you deleting text and objects. Okay, so listen carefully. So students, now we're going to start our today's topic revision. Okay, so our point is delete text and objects. Okay students, so students, you can also delete object from a slide at any time. To perform this action too, you have to select the object for which follow the above step 1 and step 2. Okay, you already know that what is step 1 and step 2. So now we should start step 3. Okay, now press delete key from the keyboard or cut option in the home tab. Students, you already know that what is cut option. Okay, so use keyboard shortcut F7 to perform spelling check in your presentation. Okay, F7, remember this, F7 to perform spelling check in your presentation. Okay students, so now how we can rearrange the slide? So rearranging slide, it is important to arrange the slide in a sequential order before presenting the final slide show. So to prepare slide in normal view, reposition slide in outline pane and by dragging them up and down while holding down the mouse button. Okay students, so due to this, to rearrange slide in slide shorter view, reposition slide in slide pane by dragging them left and right while holding down the mouse button. Okay students, so apply time to slide. In this section you will learn the use of theme group. थीम ग्रुप मतलब हम अपनी जो प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड बनाएंगे उसका हम थीम कैसे रखें, लाइक दिस और दिस. ओके, इस तरह से हम अपनी जो प्रेजेंटेशन स्लाइड है उसका थीम हम इस तरह से रख सकते हैं. ओके, सो